we continue the section in the remaining tools. So file, new, part. Okay, we are left with these tools: the text tool, the slot, and the polygon. Then we would talk about the fillet shortly. So first of all, you select a plane, so front plane, sketch. So let me start with the text tool. To draw the text tool, you need a line as reference. So let me select this line, then let me draw a line. Good. Then once, let me draw another one again at the top, a vertical line. You see that yellow line shows that it is vertical, which is straight. So now let me select the text. Once I select the text, what comes is the text tool. So if you are using a curve, it will let you select a curve, but since I'm not using a curve, let me select this edge. Okay, so once I select the edge, means I'm using this edge to draw. I want to type competence. Okay, so once I'm okay, then if I'm okay with the font, I can choose to maintain it, but if I want to change it, I can just highlight it from here, then select bold. See, it changes it. If I want it to be italics, select italics. If I want it to be center align, it moves to the center. If I want it to be justified, you get it. So let me select left align. Then we also have this that gives you a vertical flip, but since you are not using that one, it won't come. Okay, here's it. Okay, this is that section, flips up and down, and this sends it to, yes, it basically swaps the direction. So like you are viewing in a mirror, it just swaps the direction for you. So let me maintain it as how it was. Then if I want to change the font size, if you want to use the document fonts, you maintain it, but if you want to change it, just untick it. Let me highlight here. So if I want to use my own font, I can choose to change the font name from here. Any font I want, I can choose to change it. I prefer to use this font. If I want to make it bold, I can select bold. Then here is where if you want to increase the unit, normally I use point. Then you change the unit to a higher unit to make it bigger. Once you're okay, you click on accept. See the size increases. So this is the test to once you are okay with what you are seeing. Now you could notice that once I increase the size, the last letter E has disappeared. If I want it to come back, I'll just drag this. Most of the time if you drag it, it comes. Or either than that, unless you decrease the font. But since I wanted to drag it to the edge, but since it has come, it's okay. Then once you're okay, you just click on accept. Then you accept it. So this is what you've gotten.